Welcome back to another video in our series. Before we dive into today's topic, hit that like button and subscribe too. It's a lot easier than figuring out German paperwork and way more fun. Your support means a lot. Now let's get started.
Question number 1. What influences the degree of centrifugal force on bends? Speed. True. The faster the speed in a curve, the greater the centrifugal force experienced. Headwind. False. Headwind does not significantly affect the centrifugal force on bends. The radius of the bend. True. A smaller curve radius increases the centrifugal force on a bend.